Hello viewers, we're back again with this deer. This is the one that was decapitated. All the bulbs have been changed out and it's, all working properly now. No burned out bulbs, no sections out. However, when I was changing the bulbs out, I noticed the motor was getting very hot even though it's not doing anything. So it's showing some signs of life. So I think it's worth trying to open it up and see if it can be repaired. I believe it's a synchronous style motor in there, and admittedly I don't really know if those can be fixed within any reasonable means. So I'm going to, first thing I want to do is remove it from the deer, because this is very awkward to work this way. And I believe this pin will just pull out, and then this can come off. You know, that's very cheap, but anyway. It looks like it's gonna come off the bottom with 4 screws. And we should put the camera over here so you can actually see this. That's the whole point of recording the video, is so that you can see what's transpiring. So we got these 4 screws here. Okay. So the motor is now free. I'll unplug the lights. Okay, so now I'll get this deer off the table because it's getting all tangled up and everything anyways. Some wires up here. And it had a collision with the fan earlier today. Probably should turn that off. And now we are left with the motor and some very poor camera work. So we got, oh my goodness, 2, 4, 6, 7 security bits to deal with. And hopefully one of these will work. And let's undo this as well. Oh yeah, that's not looking good at all. Yep, this is full of water. Plenty of water in here. And that's very, very corroded. Oh, I bet this is locked up completely. Yeah, that's not gonna spin, I don't think. I don't believe this is easily repaired, if at all, but let's just go in here out of curiosity and see if I can perhaps open this up, or if nothing else, get some information off of it, see if I can source a replacement. Okay, it is a oh jeez, that's yeah, that's not good. Oh, I see what the failure point is. The gasket is broken. Well, anyways, this is a 4 RPM synchronous motor. I suspect this would be relatively easily sourced on the internet somewhere. I can even get this information tag off of there to see what's underneath. It's just deteriorating. Yeah, I'm not even gonna get involved with this. This is insane. I've never seen a motor so rusted out before. I'm going to take this gasket off of here because that looks like it's still good. Probably just fell down a little bit too low. Yeah, that's going to be a total failure. I'm going to have to source a new motor for this. Okay, well, that's kind of what I expected to see in there. I just dug into my box of things everyone says I should throw out but I never do, and I found 2 of these motors. I don't know if either one of these will work. I guess this one we can find out pretty easily. Does not seem to work, and it doesn't sound too good either. This one I can only imagine doesn't work either because the cord is missing. However, it's possible that it does still work. So let's go inside this motor and see if we can get a cord on it and potentially transfer it into the other case. Okay, well, this one certainly looks to be in much better condition. It kind of sounds like gear stripping to me. But let's just see what this will do. Perhaps it'll work. I think I actually have the cord set for this hanging on the wall over here. I'm so used to it anyways. Maybe I put it on something. Yeah, I think I put it on something. I used to use it for testing because they had the fuse. But that's fine. Since I know this one doesn't seem to want to work, I'll just take this cord, strip this one again, or for the first time, I guess. Okay, that's not working. Then ultimately that's not working either, but it'll get us through the test, I think. Well, that one's running. Of course, it's not to say that it's running correctly. Actually, it is. That's it's definitely skipping under some resistance, but let's just quit working. I think part of the gear is stripped out somewhere. It's not doing anything anymore. Yeah, it just gives up under any resistance. Yeah, there's definitely a spot in the gear that's worn out or something. Alright, so that's not going to work. It almost worked. I'm just going to look up the pricing of a new one. A new motor is only $5, so I'm going to order one. This can go back into the scrap bin. This can go back into the scrap bin. These screws can perhaps serve a useful purpose somewhere else. And this cord set can be useful somewhere else. This thing, this is awful. Hopefully this just will come out. I have to do something about that, clean that up and dry it out somehow. Alright, well I'll do another video when the new motor comes in.